everyone, welcome back to Serving Up Plumbing. I'm David Butler, and today we're going to be talking tankless. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on tankless water heaters. There are so many things to learn and know about tankless water heaters. But today, specifically, we're going to be talking about 3 things that you can just walk up on a tankless water heater and look at it and know, is my gas correct? The biggest problem with tankless units is improper gas sizing, and we're going to figure out how not to have that. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Let's go talk tankless. We're here in my training room to talk about the 3 things you can look for to tell you whether or not you have the proper gas to your tankless. Now, this happens to be the 199X3 Adapt, State Water Heater's newest tankless. This is what Milestone's installing as its premium tankless unit, and this baby does everything. So let's talk about what you can look for on your tankless that will tell you, do I have enough gas? One of the first of the 3 things we want to look at is the size of the pipe coming to the water heater. This pipe right here. This should be a minimum of 1-inch black iron pipe. If it's CSST, you have to size that correctly also, which is corrugated stainless steel tubing. But this needs to be at least 1 inch. Now, a lot of times you'll see 3/4 or 1/2 inch coming to it. Unless this pipe is coming right off of a main line, which would be a much larger pipe than 1 inch, it's not going to be carrying enough gas. So you should be looking for 1 inch. This pipe actually measures outside diameter, if you need to use a tape measure on it, about 1 1/4 inches to 1 3/8. So you check that first. 1 inch iron pipe coming in. That's number 1. Number 2, the shutoff valve. This is what we call a full open or full port ball valve. This is required. This is what we call a standard appliance valve. If you'll notice, the hole in it's not near the size of the pipe. And that doesn't allow enough gas flow for the tankless. The tankless uses anywhere from 120 to 199,000 BTUs. This small gas valve won't carry that. Therefore, we need a full port, full open ball valve that turns on and off, just like so, to operate our tankless water heater. And last but not least, your gas appliance connector. A lot of us call them gas flexes. This needs to be a minimum of 3/4 inch inside diameter. Your standard gas flex that we use on normal water heaters will only carry 136,000 BTUs at 3 feet. This gas flex right here will carry 230,000 BTUs. That's what we need to make sure we have enough gas for our tankless. So, those 3 things, your pipe size, your gas ball valve, and your gas flex gas appliance connector must be of those adequate sizes, or already you know you don't have the proper gas sizing to your tankless. This is something that the homeowner can look at, the plumber can look at, but no matter what, you need to look at it anytime you walk up on a tankless and you're trying to diagnose a problem with it. I hope this video has helped educate you a little bit about tankless water heaters and how the gas should be run to the tankless water heater. You can look at your own tankless now and know whether your gas is correct or not. If you see any of these problems with your tankless at home, give us a call here at Milestone if you're in the DFW area, and we'll be able to come out and take care of those problems for you right away. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and have a great day. Just tell your friends the Butler did it.